Dear philatelic friends, I am a stamp collector. I am not a professional stamp collector. I do collect stamps on hobby. I've got various country stamps as you see here. Now today I'm going to just cover only two countries supposed to be very rare stamps. Okay, one is called as a Norway and other is Germany. Okay, some philatelists or YouTube makers have loaded on the YouTube channel many of their stamp collection, and they claim that some of the stamps are very rare. I think I have got those stamps with me. I am going to just show you those stamps. Okay, just see, for example, I have collected a lot of Norway stamps here, full of stamp album. You can see Norway stamps, many Norway stamps everywhere. But I have picked up some of the few stamps which are supposed to be rare. Okay, I don't know whether they are rare or not, but still I feel that I should load this thing. And you can see the German stamps here. A lot of German stamps are also here. Okay, I've got a full album of German stamps over here. Okay, now see, I'm just trying to glance and show you the German stamps which I have collected, but I have picked up supposed to be very rare stamps of Germany and Norway, Norge, and I'm going to display that today for the benefit of stamp lovers. Okay, these are all the German stamps which we can view. Okay, for this German stamps and Norway stamps, I have made a separate album and a separate video and loaded on the YouTube for the benefit of stamp lovers. You can subscribe to my channel and see those stamps also. Okay, see, lot many German stamps are there. It is not that one or two German stamps, or it is not that one or two Norway stamps. There are lot many German stamps in my kitty. Okay, see, the whole album is full of German stamps. Right. Okay, now in continuation of this, I am going to just show you some of the supposed to be very rare stamps of Norway first. Okay, let's go and see Norway. These two are declared are very rare stamps and very high valuable stamps. I have in a mint condition, unhinged, nice, these two were stamps which are of high value as declared by the stamp collectors and philatelists. Okay, in this there are series also, the same series, but I do not know whether these are all fetches very nice price, but still just to show the series I have put this here. And the second stamp supposed to be very rare are these two 10 and 20 Norway stamps. Okay, and this also has a complete series which I have got here. Okay, I don't know whether these are very rare or not, but as I see, these two are declared as very rare stamp. Okay, as same way as these two are declared as very rare stamps. Okay, now if you come to some of the German stamps, I saw in one of the YouTube philatelist lover loading this stamp and calling it as very rare. Okay, this is also in a mint condition, to overprint, over 200 million N German stamp. Okay, this also has a series of stamps, right? I don't know whether these are very rare or not. Anyway, I have got all these stamps which I have displaying for the viewers' benefit. Under that also there are 3 more stamps which I don't know whether these are all rare stamps. Okay. Now if you come to the next this thing, this is supposed to be a very rare stamp, and the series of that is here. These are the series that are here. Okay. Now this stamp is declared as very rare. It's in a mint condition, as you see, very rare, 40. Okay. So I have this stamp, but in the same series I have got other stamps also of the same series here. Okay, all right. Okay. Now, if you come to the next row, bottom, you can see these 3 series. These 3 series are supposed to be very rare stamps, as declared by some of the philatelists and stamp lovers. So, under that series, I have lot many stamps here. I don't know whether these are fetches the high value, but this belongs to the same family of that German stamps. Okay. Now, here is a peculiar this thing. Now you can see this stamp is supposed to be very rare. Now the image, what you see is right facing. The person who is digging the soil and engineer is a right facing over there, but all other stamps, as you see, are all left facing. I don't know whether it is an error printing or it is purposely printed like that, but I have seen this to be supposed to be very rare collection of the stamps. Okay, now if you look at all this, now at a glance you can see, again I will show you at a glance, Norway series. This is also Norway series, and then there's a German series. Okay, all these are all German series, and this is also a German series stamps over here, and this is also Dutch German series stamp. Okay. Viewers who have seen all these stamps, I request them to give their opinion on this, whether it is rare or not, and then comment on the stamp collection. Okay, if you want to see my other videos, you can subscribe to my other videos, BN Nagraj, and go and see all other stamps which I have loaded on the YouTube. Thank you.